Hello everyone. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch today's tutorial on royal courses. Today I'm going to show you how to cut out an object of an image in Photoshop. The first thing you want to do after opening the image in Photoshop, you want to go to the option layers and click on it. After going to the option layers, you're going to choose the background layer and unlock it. After that, you're going to choose lasso tool, and with the left click, you're going to pick magnetic lasso tool. What this is going to do is select the object you want to cut out by starting in one corner and letting the computer do the rest. What you want to do is follow the outline of the object you want to cut out. After that is done, you're going to go to the starting point and click on it. With this, you have selected the object. Now you want to go to the option layers and click on the option down below. By this, you're adding a clipping mask and the background has disappeared. We can make it appear again by clicking the shift and clicking on the clipping mask. If we want to fix some details on the cutout we made, you're going to use brush tool with the color selected black and gently going over the edges. After you are satisfied with how that is turned out, if you want to get rid of the background altogether and make the cutout an image of its own, we're going to go to the layers, left click, convert to smart object. With that, the background is disappeared and the object you cut out is an image of its own. You can move it by using the move tool, and by transform, you can size it up, down, and rotate it and do whatever is up to your liking. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful.